In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on your Xbox One with activation, so you can enjoy live sports and highlights. Let's get started. To watch ESPN on your Xbox One, start by downloading the ESPN app from the Microsoft Store. Open the app and select Sign In or Activate. You'll be prompted to enter an activation code. Next, visit espn.com/activate on a computer or mobile device, log in to your ESPN account or create one if needed, and enter the activation code displayed on your Xbox screen. If you don't have ESPN Plus, subscribe to it or link a supported TV provider that includes ESPN. Once activated, return to the ESPN app on your Xbox One. You can now stream live sports, watch highlights, and access exclusive ESPN Plus content directly on your console. For live TV, ensure your subscription includes ESPN through services like Hulu, plus Live TV or YouTube TV. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on your Xbox One.